You can see from this diagram of a cake which is made of 3 layers. So the bottom layer is 18 diameter, the diameter is 18 cm. Second layer diameter 16 cm, and a third layer, the top layer, diameter is 14 cm. So we know that the layer with the smallest diameter is 5 cm thick, so the smallest one is 5 cm thick. The middle layer is 3.8 cm thicker than the smallest layer, so it's 5 plus 3.8. And the layer with the largest diameter, which is the last layer, third layer, is 6 cm thinner than the middle layer, so it's 5 plus 3.8 minus 6. So they find the volume of the cake. So the thickness of the middle layer is actually 5 plus 3.8 equals 8.8 cm. The thickness of the layer with the largest diameter, which is the last layer, is 8.8 minus 6 equals 2.8 cm. So the volume of top layer is pi r square h, where pi equals 3.142 times 7 square. 10 square is 14 divided by 2, so it's 7 square times 5 equals 769.79 cm cube. For the second layer is pi r, where r equals 16 divided by 2 equals 8 times 8.8 equals 1769.57 cm cube. For the third layer is pi, which is 3.142 times r is 18 over 2, which is 9 square times 2.8 equals to 89.7976 cm cube. Therefore, total volume of the cake is 769.79 plus 1769.57 plus 89.7976 equals to 2629.16 cm cube in 2 dp. For part B, calculate the total surface area of the cake. So when we look at the top view of the cake, it's actually the bottom layer with the largest diameter, followed by second layer and the top layer. So when you look from bottom, actually the total surface area from top is the surface area of the largest diameter, which is the largest layer, which is the third layer. However, we also need to include the curved surface area of each layer, so it's surface area of 1, 2, and 3. So curved surface area of layer 1 is actually 2 pi r, which is the circumference times height. So it's 2 times 3.42 times 7.5 equals 219.94 cm squared. Curved surface area of layer 2 is pi times diameter times height equals 3.42 times 16 times 8.8 equals 442.3936 cm squared. And the curved surface area of layer 3 is 3.142 times diameter 18 cm times height 2.8 cm equals 158.3568 cm squared. And the top surface area of the third layer with the largest diameter is pi r square, where r equals 9 cm and 3 times 3.142 equals to 254.502 cm squared. Therefore, total surface area of cake is 219.94 plus 442.3936 plus 158.3568 plus 254.502 equals to 1075.19 cm squared in 2 dp. So we know the density of the cake in part C is 0.56 gram per cm cube. Density is actually mass over volume. So we know the volume of the cake. We know the density, you can find mass, which is volume times density. So it's 0.56 times 2629.2 equals to 1472.252 equals to 1.47 kg.